Hello. Welcome, guys, once again to my YouTube channel. So today we are gonna apply for University of Ingolstadt. I guess most of the people would be knowing or guessed it. Ingolstadt, where it is, yes, where you will find Audi headquarters. So it's a very famous university, and most of the students who study there, I have so many friends, but most of them who study there who will end up getting a job in Audi for sure. So this is not, I'm not bragging it, but you have a very good opportunity when you do in Ingolstadt because the course is designed like that. That is what my friends said. They said like the course is designed itself to get into Carrier or Audi, because that city where Ingolstadt is, there you have a headquarters of Audi and Carrier too. So it's a very good university. So let's get started. We can go inside, check what are the courses that they have and what are the courses that we are applying, and we'll start. So you can click on search for University of Ingolstadt. As usual, we will start from basic, how people can start applying. So the best thing you just wanted to know is the university name. I just gave you University of Ingolstadt. Then you can click on Ingolstadt University of Applied Science. You can click on that main website. So here, this is their homepage. Here you can click on studies that we're gonna pursue. Then you can click on degree programs. Once you clicked on degree programs, here you can see the master study courses. Once you have clicked there, then it will take you to the master study course at the university, what are all they are giving. So here you can just see this is the Faculty of Electrical Engineering and Information Technology. Here they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 courses, but there is only 1, 2, 3 courses are in English. So here in these 3 courses you can apply. So I gonna show you how to apply for International Automotive Engineering, because this is the like most studied course, or most of people who have studied or who are my friends studied this course. So you can click on open link in new tab, or you can open there, but I just did that because I just wanted to show what are other courses they are there. So there are some faculty from computer science also. They are also offering AI, artificial intelligence, cloud application, but it is completely in German. So for English, you have a user experience design and AI. So that is one thing. For mechanical engineering, yes, they have like hell lot of course, because Germany is main for mechanicals. You can also go through it, what are the things. So but our main focus is electrical engineering. Then we have already selected a course which we're gonna apply. So International Automotive Engineering. So here, if you're clearly watching or just watching my videos from past 4 years, I have not made it regularly, but it's okay. But if you have just followed my instruction of my videos, I had talked this topic like a lot of times. People usually, I don't know why, they get confused about Hochschule and technical Hochschule, things like that. The basic fine line would be technical Hochschule or Hochschule. Their course structure would be mainly regarding the, what you can say, laboratorial things, or how I can say, practical oriented courses. So here you will get more practical exposure for these kind of courses. Whereas if you study in technical universities, like say example, Technical University of Munich or Technical University of Stuttgart, there the problem solving techniques will be only measured or did via mathematical way. So there you won't get that much of practical exposure, but you will study in a research oriented way, where you will try to solve everything or every problem via mathematics. That's the main difference. I've been fed up of saying same thing again and again, but people still ask. So maybe this in new video people can catch this. And the main other difference would be technical Hochschule and Hochschule. 2 technical university will be Hochschule courses will be usually 3 semester, 2 semester of complete course and 1 semester of thesis. Whereas in technical university you will have a 3 semester of normal and 1 semester of thesis, which will be 4 semester. So now apply online from May 2 to July 15th. So we are 2 days left, but don't worry. I am applying for summer, but once this video is published, it will be what you can say, you can't apply for this college, but you can take this as a, what you can say, video which we can apply for winter, which gonna open in next 1.5 month. They will start from November 1st, so you can start applying there, because this course is what you can say done in summer and winter both. Then you can click on that. You can check for the degree 3 semester as I mentioned. Then start is summer and winter. Then dual study, yes, so dual study is what you can say, you can do dual masters. Then accreditation is yes, and you can click on admission information to check what are the admission information that they have. Then what are the requirement 210 ECTS, bachelor degree in engineering discipline with 210 ECTS. So then you just have to have a English language certificate of B2 basic, then Goethe certificate of A1 basic or equivalent any of that. So you should, so that is one good thing. Then selection of admission would be aptitude test. This is one good thing. Once you get an admission, you will have an aptitude test you have to pass, then your admission will be confirmed and will get it. You can click on admission and enrollment. Here you can see application of bachelor also is there, application of master is also there. And if you click on master course, here you can see beginning of mid of February when you're applied in summer term, starting from 15th of March. So it will start from 15th of March, and the winter semester will start from starting of 1st of October, which beginning of mid of August you will be finished. So July 15th is the admission deadline, 2 days after I am recording, but I will be uploading on 15th. So that is one bad thing, but you can use this video to apply for summer semester that will open in November. So sometimes master course will be aptitude test, 1 or 2 additional weeks are necessary for aptitude test results should be coming. So that's why it will take 1 or 2 weeks extra than the application procedure. So here the best thing are, you can see the flow that they have given. You can download the notification, upload passport, check application. This is once you got a application or the what you can say admission. So here you can see in the curriculum what are the things that you're gonna do, vehicle dynamics, and these are the course studies. You can just check on it. Then you can click on admission and application where we are interested. The program starts from March 15th for summer and winter in October 1st. Okay. Then application dates are November 15 to January 15, which I mentioned that. So when I recorded and upload, the deadline for winter's term will be closed. Nevertheless, if you want, you can also apply for November 15 by looking at this video. Please apply online here, master application. You can click on master application. So here you can go through online portal of universities to apply for VPD. So for this time I just wanted to make sure, or took a university where it will ask VPD, because people are getting confusion how VPD is recognized or published. Some people are confused also that, say example, if I apply now VPD, I will get it for, say example, winter 2024. So people are saying then he is allowed to use this VPD only for winter 2024. No, that is wrong. Once you get a VPD, you can use that VPD for n number of colleges, n number of times, for n number of admission time. You don't need to worry. VPD is one time thing. So you just do it. You can do it 1 year before, 1.5 year before. It's up to you. They will tell you maybe in the application, or I have not came across that you should not use VPD which is 3 years old. I have not came across that, but you can use VPD n number of times. So no need to worry. VPD is only one time thing. Don't forget that. Then you can click on premise application portal that they have. So here you just have to register for online application. I will register as usual. Then we will get a notification. So now I have filled all necessary registration details with my name, full name, and my private email ID and the password that I chose. So you can click on register at the application. So now please enter the email address and the verification code to activate. So email address is this. Then the confirmation would be sent to my email. We can check there. So here you can got the confirmation. The best thing would be to check what they have sent. You are receiving this email because you like to apply. Hello, the link is to register. Alternatively, you can click on confirm email. Confirmation code is this. So you can take this and copy here in the confirmation code, then dispatch. then the best thing would be also to click here, then you will directly go on to same page. So now you can log in with your chosen email ID and password. Give an email ID and password which I have chosen, and you can click on login. Some of the things, so I have received the notification, so submit the data. Here